How far away is Mars? I'm not sure. I think it's really far. Well, according to magazine, it looks like Mars is about 59 million kilometers away from the Earth right now. When you see a number like 59 million written out as 59,000,000, that's a standard notation. Is there another way to write this big number? The answer is yes. You can write it in scientific notation. But what is scientific notation? Scientific notation is a way of writing numbers using powers of 10. It comes in handy when you're dealing with really big or really small numbers. Scientific notation helps you write numbers and express them as a power of 10 multiplied by a number whose absolute value is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. The best way to explain this is just converting the number 59 billion to scientific notation and let you see for yourself. We start by converting our standard notation number into a number whose absolute value is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. We do this by dividing the number by 10. Remember, when you divide a number by 10, you move the decimal point one place to the left, one position every time. So I divide by 10 6 times, but 59 is still too big. Remember, we need a number that is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. So I'm going to move the decimal point one more time. 6 times, 7 times. Yes, that number 5.9 is smaller than 10 and greater than 1. Now, to complete the scientific notation, we need to show that this number 5.9 is being multiplied times some power of 10. The power will be the number of times that you move the decimal point, the number of times that you divide by 10. So in this case, 7. We also can write negative exponents when we put really small numbers into scientific notation. It's exactly the same form. We're going to have a coefficient c that is a number higher or equal to 1 but lower than 10, multiplied by a power of 10. Let's see the number, 0.00031. We're going to move the decimal point to leave a number, and the number will be 3.1. We move that decimal 5 times to the right because the number is a really tiny number. It's smaller than 1. We are moving the decimal point, in this case, to the right. That makes the power negative because we need to multiply in this case. Negative 5, and my answer for this scientific notation is 3.1 times 10 to the negative 5th. For any number greater than 0 but smaller than 1 represented in scientific notation, the exponent will be negative. And that's scientific notation. It may seem immediately not useful, but you'll be glad you know it if you ever have dealt with really big and really small numbers. Practice time. Try to solve these exercises. Write this scientific notation in standard notation. Pause the video and play to see the answers. Write each number in scientific notation. Pause the video and play it to see the answers.